Well, thank you very much, Professor Barlas. I must say I'm quite impressed. At that time, I was in New York for another conference, the International Joint Conference on Artificial Intelligence, when I heard about the news. And I have many research friends in Turkey, so of course, my heart goes open to you, and I hope everything will calm down soon enough, and everyone can just be happy at work again. And it makes you realize that as scientists, certainly as computer scientists, or in this field of simulation, we're so privileged. We don't have to think about these matters most of the time, and then suddenly this really had an impact on me as well. So, well, thank you for those kind words. Also, thank you for what you said in the panel. The things that you introduced in the panel, well, I hope you recognize that I fully agree with Professor Barlas, because I'm going to try and say, maybe in different words, but most of the same things. And maybe add a few more, and maybe shed a different light on some of them. But in essence, I think, we really agree on things. So I think Professor Barlas already said a lot about basically where I come from. And I've indeed always been interested both in, say, the artificial intelligence idea, interesting heuristics, good mathematics, doing search, optimization, things like that. But over the years, I've become more and more interested in the human. Human, for me, is a fascinating object because I don't understand them at all. And that makes them a challenge to research, right? And the focus here on democracies is really something that I have not done yet in any of my publications. It's just, for me, a point where I think we have to start doing something here. And I think there's a real challenge to all of us in the field of simulation to help keep the democracies going. And I think, well, I hope to show you that I think there's a lot that we can do to support this. Now, the example that I chose was not the one from Turkey, but the one from the UK, to vote or not to vote. So this is about the Brexit. If you look at it, the turnout of the voting was some 72%. Well, in the Dutch situation, that would be fantastic, because normally we only get about 50% or something, if it's a really important vote.